While I was playing fair, baby, you played a cheating game. While I was playing fair, baby, you played a cheating game.
Okay, so for this recipe, you're going to, of course, start by boiling your noodles until soft. You are then going to peel and chop 1 carrot and 2 potatoes and boil those until fork tender. Okay, so once the potatoes and carrots are nice and soft, you can go ahead and strain out the water, and that is going to be the base for our creamy sauce. Okay, so into your blender, along with the cooked carrots and potatoes, you're going to add 1/4 cup of vegetable stock or plant-based milk. You are also going to add 3 to 4 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, about 2 tablespoons of tahini, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, along with a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and a teaspoon of yellow mustard. Blend everything up until you have a nice smooth consistency. Here I'm just adding a bit more water to make it a little bit more smooth. Now you could eat it just like this, but what I like to do is bake it in the oven. Now we gotta have that crispy, crumbly top on our baked mac and cheese. So what I'm doing for that is a little bit of sea salt, about a tablespoon of nutritional yeast, and about 3 to 4 Brazil nuts. Pop all that into a blender until you get this nice, cheesy, crumbly topping. Then you can go ahead and pop it in the oven. I just like to broil mine until the top gets nice and crispy. Once it's all done, it should come out looking something like this.